Good morning! Kain kami ng breakfast sa labas. Australia Day pala ngayon. Mamaya punta kami doon sa may Middleton. Kasi may event doon. Kasama ko yung mga kapatid ko. Pupunta muna kami sa... Hi! Undecide kakain ng breakfast. Hi, baby! Baby ko eh! Ang ginagawa niya, naglalaro. Hi! What are you doing?
I'm a feeling for you.
Ay, piu-piu. Meron ka ng medyas? May medyas kayo tatay mo. Hi, ikaw, baby. Hi. Hi.
Oh, piu.
Piu pa siya.
Piu, you're dying. You're dying.
Oh.
You're dying.
Oh.
Die.
Oh.
Die.
Baby, let's go.
Where are my keys? What have I done with them?
Okay, magdala tayo ng tubig niya. Dala na, magsapat siya.
Die.
Oh.
Die.
Baby na, go to daddy. Let's go.
Sit. Hang it. Sure.
Okay. I like it's hot.
Why? It's muggy. Wouldn't be hot, it'd just be muggy.
Are you okay? Yeah.
I'm not doing tatay.
No. Later. Wanna go tatay later? Yeah?
I pew. That's pew. Grab this.
They're open naman.
You just don't really know what's open and then what's not.
Dito na kami sa strawberry farm. Dito na yung pagkain ni Kaden. Nag-order kami ng strawberry milkshake tsaka hot chocolate.
You wanna try some strawberry milkshake?
Hi!
You wanna try some strawberry milkshake?
Yummy!
Yummy. What should we look at this? Strawberries? Do you want some strawberries? Oh, careful.
Oops!
I almost spilt it. Bye.
Ang ganda dito. Kasi yung weather. Hindi masyadong maganda. Ito yung pagkain ko. Sarap oh. Kaya din yan. Kain. Hi!
You can do it. You don't need help. You're a big boy.
Yeah, you're strong.
You can do it.
Yeah, you can do it, baby.
Okay, help you, yes.
Help him.
Yep, go.
Whoa. Whoa.
That's high enough.
Not over here.
Yep. Get down and low. Yep. Get
Oops.
down low. All right. You have to get down like that. You can't walk on these. You have to crawl.
Well,
Yeah. So just shuffle. Shuffle. You can do it. Shuffle. You can do it.
Biglang gumanda yung araw.
No. Right here. I don't got it.
Yung uminit.
You scared?
Iba talaga yung weather dito sa Albany.
Okay. Yeah. Do it yourself. On all fours.
Yung weather oh.
Okay.
Biglang init eh. Oops.
So go play over there. Go play, no baby. Go play.
Oh, careful ah.
This is better than being in the car.
Punta ka doon, baby.
Don't have bread.
Sige lang, punta ka doon. It's nice weather now, yeah? Hi! Drive ka na, baby. Kanina pa hinihintay to eh. Merong bata, tinulak si Kaden eh. Ano, baby, no? Tinulak siya.
It's hot actually, it's gonna be hot. You wanna
Yeah.
get shorts in it.
Are you happy?
Go home in
Yeah.
a minute, yeah?
Yeah. Minute na.
Hot, yeah?
Yeah. Baby.
That's real.
Wow, is that in gear? You change the gear, yeah? When you steer, you sit here. Climb up, you can do it.
Sit here. Speed.
And then you spin the wheel, yeah?
No, eat it.
No, I'm not.
No, eat it.
Nice.
No, eat
How's
it.
it?
Don't eat
Is
it.
it good?
Yeah. Oops.
Mmm.
Ang init na.
Mm. Oh, it is good.
It's hot now, yeah?
Yes, I'm gonna be able. Probably.
No, you can.
That's kind of nice. I can go pick your own strawberries. Fresh, fresh.
Maybe we can try that one now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can go pick your own strawberries. You fill the basket, eh?
Hmm.
Wonder how much that costs. That's
Look,
why
that's
everyone's
why.
down there picking, yeah? They're picking their own.
That's why lots of people there, yeah?
Picking their own strawberries.
How much is it? Yeah.
You get to fill the basket. I don't know how much it costs you.
Ay, sarap,
Box,
bebe.
whatever
Yummy?
Not Sarah.
Masarap?
No, I'm going over there.
Where?
Go over there.
We're going home quickly and then we're going to go see Nono.
No, yeah.
I don't see. I wanna have to go on homework.
You wanna go
Let's
to
go to
the house?
Bunnings. Let's go playground. No, baby.
We're gonna go to Middleton.
Go home and finish the ice cream, yeah? And then change them all to short shorts, yeah? So bring the jumper and bring the long pants.
Yeah.
And we'll then let him pee here and stuff, go to the toilet.
Yeah.
Drink some water.
Ang sarap ng ice cream.
What's going in the water?
Yeah. Punta na kami sa Middleton. Kapin namin yung kapatid ko. Kasi sabay siya sa amin eh. Hi! Baby Koy! Hi! Busy sa cellphone. Nag-iyak-iyak pa yan. Nag-aasaran kasi ito silang magtatay. Iiyak si Kaden. Iba-iba na naman yung weather. Ang pangit na naman. Oy! Baby Koy! Parang dami mong jacket dyan. Hala, may strawberry pa dyan. Layan, dito na kami. Tara na. Watch nyo.
When did you do that?
I think just now.
I thought you guys know.
Hindi, bago kami umalis, wala pa yan eh. Ang daming tao dito.
Oh, well, at least we got that good cover.
Ang daming tao dito. Umuulan. Neng, umuulan! Si Santino! Ayun. Grabe, umuulan. Pangit ng weather ngayon, no? Hi, Ate Carrie!
Sabihin ko na sa playground tayo.
Hi, Ate Carrie! Grabe yun. Ang daming tao. Parang ngayon ko lang na ganito.
Tires ko.
Laki ito, Ling. Gusto ko yan. Nandito, Ling.
Ano yan? May idadalin sila?
Ha? Wala lang. Wala, mambun. Daming tao. Leng, ano, Leng? ganda truck na itong ano.
Ha?
Daming ano, tao.
Ajay.
Ito pag Australia Day. Labasan lahat ng mga tao. Bakit nga lang ng weather ngayon, no?
Kaya parang ganyan kalaki yung tent ko.
Grabe yung pila dito, oh.
Sorry. Masarap kaya yan?
Ang patatas? Oo. Masarap yan. Maganda yung bag mo lang. Ako na naman sinusundan. Sana na ito sa akin eh.
Ano yan? Crepes. Sarap din yun, Teo.
Ito lang, ano yung dito? Dito tayo sa ano.
Dito lang tayo. Lagi. Kasi yung Teo, unti lang naman eh. Tumira.
Ang ganda ng mga puno dito eh, no? Leng.
Gusto nyo yun na yun? Yun na yun.
Uy, gising yan si Baby Matmat. Gising?
Okay, kapag umalis kayo, yung pila.
Gising si Baby Matmat ah. Hi.
Makabili.
Bumili ako na ito. Ang sarap. Saan sila?
That much?
I can't.
Scared.
Are you want to get down? Yes?
No.
Babies on that.
Daming tao.
Here on the slides and stuff.
Hi. Nagutom na si Kaden. Nagutom na ang bebe. Bebe, meron pa dito.
You're hungry, yeah?
Nagbili kami ng nuggets sa kanya.
Always a hit, yeah?
Yeah.
You have to sit here and eat. You really scratched yourself. When did you do that?
I don't know.
Did you do that on the playground to handicides?
Gumanda na yung araw. Andun sila.
Josh was asking this morning,
Hey!
Oscar didn't pick me up the run.
Baby Matmat!
For run. Yeah.
Huh? I suck at basketball.
Ay, ka dito. Tina! You can be the referee, Josh. You look like a man.
So fat.
Uy, nandun po kay tatay.
Mamaya na yan.
Tagal sila eh.
Nagpiga-piga. Halika.
Yung stand nila. Ay, yung ano, yung... Mat! Ang tawag doon? Sino yun sila, Mat? Tent?
Langaw din.
Uy, ang cute-cute naman ni Matmat siya. Hello!
Sa tigay kap to.
Matmat!
Ito nga nang Santino! Ito, kumain na kayo dyan. Okay, lahat.
Uy! Matmat! Charmel, wala.
Sa bahay.
Ay, may pasok si Charmel? Nag-aral?
Oo.
Saan?
Nag-aral siya magano. Tit! Tit!
Wow! Nangingisda si Kaden, oh. Nangingisda ang baby, ah. Nakipaglaro si Kaden kanina, eh. Nalaro siya.
Hi, Bobby. Mom, I found a this one. Get it! Here! I found it! Look at this one. I'm fine! I'm fine! I get
This is container.
I get a stingray! I get a stingray!
inaano nila, oh.
Okay, na the stingray.
Ang lalaro nila. Sige, bebe.
Oh my God, the big one! I want to catch it! Yeah. Try this! Ah. Ah, it's mine!
Yeah?
Swimming si Kaiden, oh.
Well, seaweed now, but
Natakot. Swimming si Kaiden.
is it cold? You really can't run.
Sige, bebe. Go, Tito Gab.
I know they want to go swimming all with their shorts. Can't really swim in jeans. He's gotta get badly somewhere.
Ang aming madam, oh. Madam Chabilita. Madam.
Auring!
Para lang.
Bibi!
Yummy? Mahal kita?
Sarap ng hangin. Maya, good luck.
Dito pa rin kami. Nag-ikot-ikot muna kami. Dami tao. Yeah.
They're here for this one.